Femina Hindi and Femina Tamil. It also brings it out standalone
and the and the stories that are shared appeal to everybody across board, but mostly for the experts in this particular industry.
Thank you. So the magazine for the beauty that you would like to tell us about.
So Femina knows the Indian woman better than any other brand, and that's what we believe. For the last 54 years, we've been growing with her. We decided to bring out a magazine in this particular space, but focus on the Indian woman. So if there is at all any other brand in this category, they look at international trends. Our thought is to look at the international trends, but make them very Indian, with our very specific Indian skin tone, hair type, texture. It's important that we focus on the Indian persona, and that's why Femina Salon Spa is so different.
Okay, so the magazine, which will be concentrating more on Indian hair trends and what will suit the Indian skin. Any particular articles that you've come up with in this launch issue, which is now in the party time?
The launch issue is a party special because it's coming out in December. The look that we have defined is messy, dressy. It's a hair look, and we've got L'Oreal Paris on board to help us design the cover. It's their look that they have created, and we had a great time working with them. The main story is all about the messy, dressy look, the slightly disheveled, the fun updo. There is also braids. So we've done a lot of fun stuff on the cover and inside, as you will see once you get the magazine. That really is the key story. But we've also covered a wide range of stories across anti-aging, across why the beauty industry should use a social media platform. So you will find, and there are debates, of course, where we've spoken about the keratin treatment for hair and how it could be, you have to use products with care and why. So you will find a lot of very extensive information in the magazine.
And any experts that hugely talented Yami Gautam.
And so over to me. Yami, tell me, how was your experience doing our cover shoot?
First of all, thank you so much. Thank you, Tanya. Thank you to Team Femina. I think my association with Femina doesn't go back just to the cover that we did last year. But I'm sure as a girl, Femina is deeply rooted with all of us, I'm sure. So right from college days and all, this is one magazine. Like, of course, when you enter this industry, you get introduced and you're more aware in terms of, magazines and fashion and all. But Femina is one magazine that I'm sure every girl could easily relate to. So for me, when this opportunity came that they're launching beauty magazine and I'll be the cover girl for the launch, I was really excited. And I'm sure the pictures, the photo shoot, and I've seen the pictures. I may sound a little immodest, but I love them. So, and yes, the cover, they've still kept a surprise. I don't know which is the cover picture. So, and it's very interesting, the idea what Tanya was sharing with us, that to get yourself to see, to be seen in a different look which you don't expect probably out of yourselves, that is something pretty challenging and very interesting. So let's see. Thank you so much. It was really lovely.
Thank you. No, I'm going to quickly talk about your looks. You will find out which look is on the cover, but I'm going to quickly talk about the ones that were there. There was a Grecian updo. There was this rock chic look. There was this asymmetric updo. And there was natural waves. And then there was this messy paw bob. Which one did you like?
I think I love them all. I love the updo. I think the messy updo. That's because I used to always shirk away from updos. I thought no, those nice wavy hairs. It's the safest and it's the prettiest, which I'm sure every girl relates to. But that was something when I saw it, I think I totally loved it. And I said if I was a Catholic, I would have done that on a wedding. So yeah, I'll go with a messy updo.
Right. Now, I mean, you will discover what is on the cover. But what is your general style? How do you wear your hair? And what is the makeup style you like the most?
For me, anything which is effortless and comes easy is something I prefer, which is, I don't like too much heavy makeup. I don't like doing too much with my face, or of course hair needs to be at least a nice blow dry. If I'm not working, I'm absolutely comfortable with my skin with no makeup. But otherwise, minimalistic, I think that's the best. And as much as you can keep your skin healthy internally, I think that's what reflects. So
What is
that's
the
really
secret
important.
behind this lovely glowing skin? Go on.
I think I'll thank my mother for this. We are from Himachal, so I think that little genes. I think it does. I think it's helped a bit.
A lot, I have to say. Who would you say is your style icon?
Can I take two names? I really like Tyra Banks. I think she's amazing. She's somebody who can carry any look, and she's extremely comfortable with herself, with her skin, with her body. And Victoria Beckham. I think I love the confidence. I love the fact that she knows what she is, but I don't see that loud attitude anywhere. And so these two women, I think I really appreciate in terms of style.
They are style icons, all right. Would you like to give any message out for the readers of this new magazine, Femina Salon Spa?
Yes, it is. It'll be the first year of this magazine, and as much love you've shown to Femina, please show to its new baby, which is just gonna get launched very soon, and extremely special. I'm sure as you've loved Femina over the years for what it is, for its originality, for its real facts. I think it's what people really like is that you can easily relate to it, and I think it's really. You can really rely on it. So I think the same would be with Femina, yes, Salon Spa, and yes, I'm sure we love it.
Thank you so much. Now shall we go
you. May I
ahead and
request the
unveil the
covers?
cover?
Okay, my mic is not working. And we now move to the highlight of the evening. Please, may I request you to come to front? Right. The highlight of today's event. Yes. May we have the lights, please? Presenting the first inaugural cover of Femina Salon and Spa with the gorgeous Yami Gautam. And may we request her to please sign the cover.
Babush. मनोज बैठेगा क्या
Thank you so much, Tanya. We'll also take a couple of pictures with her.
हो गया क्या मनोज तेरा मनोज हो गया तो बैठ जा ए मनोज नीचे बैठना तू नीचे बैठना मनोज प्लीज ए मिला ना अरे यार मनोज हो गया क्या तेरा और चाहिए तेरे को अंदर लुक है
Okay, she's give 2 minutes.
वीडियो के लिए अभी फोटोग्राफर को पीछे ले लो
ए बिठा दो सबको बाबूश
ए फोटोग्राफर पीछे आओ
थैंक यू
से मजबूर है
हो गया
यही तो मेन पिक्चर है
हो गया
Okay.
थैंक यू
Yeah. Hi, Manisha here. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Congratulations. Yami, how you relate yourself with Femina? जैसे आपने बताया कि हर गर्ल इस रिलेट कर सकती है. When you was in your college days, आप जब थी, तब आप भी कहीं ना कहीं कुछ सोचती होंगी. लेकिन जब आज आप Femina से रिलेट करती हैं, तो आप पर्सनल तौर पे क्या कैसे देखती हैं Femina को? And how your association goes with Femina?
I think as I just said that Femina is one magazine that you don't have to be an actress, you know, to relate to it. आप भी I'm sure relate करती होंगी. मेरे घर में मम्मी relate करती हैं. You have Femina in English, Femina in Hindi. And what we really like, जो जहाँ तक कि मुझे याद है कॉलेज के टाइम कि कोई भी फैशन से रिलेटेड कुछ चीज़ हो या ब्यूटी से रिलेटेड कुछ चीज़ें हो और anything facts and figures and I think Femina is a very right combination of a lot of things. It has a mix of little Bollywood also. It has something which perhaps you know, and I love the section where you know there's some real life stories of women. I think they're extremely inspiring. और वाकई मैं वो पढ़ती हूँ and जिस तरह के I'm sure the responses are also which you get, it's very genuine. So this is one magazine which will never go out of date, which will never you'll feel कि अच्छा it's you know बहुत it's done to death types. It's something which will only go younger and younger and we'll keep loving it more and more.
यामी अभी आपने अपनी लुक को लेके कहा थोड़ी देर पहले कि अगर आप कैथलिक होती तो कुछ अलग ही लुक लेती, तो वो आप कौन से लुक के बारे में अभी से प्लान कर रही हैं कि जो भी फोटोशूट आपने किए थे द बेस्ट वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आपको कौन सा लगा और आप अपने वेडिंग के दौरान कौन सा लुक रखना पसंद करेंगे?
मैंने जैसे ही मैंने बात बोली थी मुझे पता था आप ये पूछेंगे जरूर. मैंने कहा ये मैंने बोला क्यों. वो एक बैक हैंडेड कॉम्प्लीमेंट था उस लुक के लिए कि वो इतना खूबसूरत बन था, अपडू था and I would have loved to do it. उसके लिए I don't have to be a Catholic. I can still do it for my another shoot or an event. And मुझे सारे looks in fact बहुत पसंद है और of course जो मेरा something which I easily relate to, it's something जो अंदर का जो spread है, जो inside fashion spread है आप देखेंगे उसमें से एक look है which is very nice, flowy है, very natural, very candid shots. So that's something which it's very easy for me to relate to. But as Tanya said, we wanted to do something which is very different, which people haven't seen me as, and it completely justifies.
Hi, Ami.
Hello.
So, you know, when you reach the top rung of actresses and you're almost there now, you make your choices very carefully. So, name any 2 such magazines which make you feel you've kind of arrived now, and why? You know, when you look at covers and when you're struggling, and when you're a model or when you're doing other industries, you always say, one day if I am